channel. We only use them with uncountable nouns such as time, money, and milk. We use little when we don't have enough and a little when we do.
Mary! Mary!
Hello.
Wait, who are you? And where's Mary?
Mary has moved, but she left you a message.
Huh. Dear Paul, Helga and I have changed flats. I had little time to explain, say hello to everyone. I had few things, so I didn't need help. I will visit you all soon when I have a little time. Well, I'm a little surprised.
So you must be Helga.
And you must be Paul.
Yeah.
Mary sent me a picture of you. There is little similarity.
Not too little, though.
I had little time, so I couldn't tell you I was leaving. In this sentence, I had little time means I didn't have enough time. Another example could be, I will visit you all soon when I have a little time. Here the use of a little time implies I will visit when I have enough time. And if we wanted to say there is almost no similarity, we could say there is little similarity.
So, Helga, where are you from?
I am from Germany, but I can speak a little English. Can you speak German?
I can speak very little German.
Oh, little German. That's a pity. Well, we'll have to speak English then.
A little English means Helga speaks English well enough. Paul speaks little German, which means he doesn't know it well.
You know, Mary said she could make cakes. Can you make cakes?
I am afraid not. I have little time, and I have little fruit, and I have little milk, I have little sugar, so I will not make a cake.
But if you have enough time to make a cake, you can use the magic letter A. If you have a little time, it means you have enough time to make a cake. Helga, could you please make me a cake? If you do, I'll let you around the city after lunch.
Of course. I have a little time and I will make a cake for you. So, I have a little butter, and I have a little milk, and I have a little fruit for the cake. And now I will make a cake.
Helga is making a cake because she has a few apples, a few pears, a little butter, and a little time to bake a cake.
And Paul gave me nothing. Paul,
Oh, hi.
here is a little coffee for you.
Thank you.
And here is a little cake.
Oh, but it's so little.
Thank you for being with us, and see you soon.